Apple's most affordable iPad is now cheaper than ever. But here's the real question. Is the iPad 11th generation still worth buying in 2026? Or should you wait for iPad 12th generation? Let's find out. The iPad 11th generation, powered by Apple's A16 chip, officially launched in March 2025. Even in 2026, it remains one of Apple's best value tablets for students, casual users, and families. Starting with performance, the A16 chip easily handles everyday tasks like web browsing, streaming, note-taking, online classes, document editing, and even light gaming. Popular games such as Call of Duty and Genshin Impact run smoothly on medium to high settings. On the front, you get an 11-inch Liquid Retina display with True Tone technology. While it still uses a 60 Hz refresh rate instead of promotion, the display remains bright, sharp, and perfect for watching movies, reading, and studying. The iPad also features a 12-megapixel rear camera capable of recording 4K video, along with a 12-megapixel landscape front camera featuring center stage, which automatically keeps you in the frame during video calls. Storage has also improved. Apple now starts with 128 gigabytes, with 256 gigabytes and 512 gigabytes options available, giving users much more space than previous entry-level iPads. The tablet supports the Apple Pencil USB-C, Apple Pencil, first generation, and the Magic Keyboard Folio, making it a great option for students, note-taking, and productivity. However, there is one important limitation. Unlike newer iPads powered by Apple's M-series chips, the iPad 11th generation does not support Apple Intelligence, because the A16 chip doesn't meet the hardware requirements for those AI features. So should you buy it in 2026? If you're looking for an affordable iPad for studying, entertainment browsing, online classes, or everyday work, the iPad 11th generation is still an excellent choice. But if Apple Intelligence, professional multitasking, or advanced creative work is important to you, then the iPad Air with an M-series chip is the better long-term investment. So what would you choose, the affordable iPad 11th generation or the more powerful iPad Air? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoy verified Apple news, honest tech reviews, and the latest gadget updates, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll meet you in the next video.